So here is our question related to this module. You need to attach a DWG file, a JPG image, and a PDF file in a blank AutoCAD drawing as an XREF. Then bind the attached DWG drawing in the current drawing. After following all of these steps, create an eTransmit package from the main drawing containing all of these external references and save it on the desktop. So here we have a completely blank drawing, and I've also prepared these three components which we are going to insert as an XREF, and I've saved them on the desktop in the questions folder. So I'll start adding with the DWG file, and for that I'll go to this insert tab and I'll click on this attach option from the reference panel. Now here we have this question folder on the desktop, so double click inside and here we have this test block. So let's select it. Click on open. Now we need to simply attach it. So I'll keep all the default options and click on OK. Now click anywhere and the drawing is attached. Now let's go to attach again, and this time I'll select this image, the JPG image file, and click on open. With the default setting OK, there we have it. Now here also I'll select the default scale and rotation angle. Now once again go to attach and select the PDF file, click on open, click on OK. Now here we have it, the PDF file is also attached. Although the size of this PDF file is very large, so I'll just decrease its scale. So I'll select it, go to Home tab, select scale, click on any point. So I'll click on this lower left corner and I'll change its scale to 0.3. and press enter. So there we have it. Let's now place it over here. So now we have these three external references attached in the current drawing. We can create the eTransmit package, and to create the package, go to this application button, select the publish option and click on eTransmit. Now obviously we need to save the drawing first. So I'll click on OK. Specify the location as desktop and let's give it a name. So let's name it as XREF and click on save. Now here we have in this file hierarchy everything which is included in this drawing, including the PDF, JPEG, the drawings, the fonts which are additionally used, and everything here. Now if you want to include additional things, you can go to add file and do that, but we are not going to do that. I'll simply click on transmittal setup, click on modify, and I'll modify one small thing here. Here I'll keep this option checked, place all files in one folder, and now click on OK and close and click on OK. Now specify the location, which will be desktop, and the name is xrefstandard.zip. Click on save and the package is prepared. Now let's go to desktop. And here we have it. So let's double click on it, and here we have all the components of the external reference included in a single zip package which can be transmitted directly.